skills you can learn. Whether you are a student, professional, freelancer, content creator, interpreter, or simply curious about the AI, this course is designed special for you. Throughout this course, we will start from the very beginning and gradually move toward advanced AI concept. If don't need any program, you don't need any program, you don't need any technical background, all you need in a willing to learn. Part 1, foundation. In this part 1, we will learn what is AI and chat GPT, how it's work, and what can it does and do, and you are understand what AI is, how ChatGPT works, how to communicate effectively with AI, and how to write powerful prompt that generally better result. Because every great AI user start with strong foundation. So this part is very beginning, and this is very important part. And the second part is the creator mode. And next, we will explore how AI can help to create amazing content. And you will learn generate articles, social media post, presentation, marketing content, graphics, video, and much more using modern AI tool. Okay, I also explain you the what is the prompt engineering and bad and good prompt. What is the difference between the bad and good prompt? And we will assign you the some prompt also you can practice. And this course is fully practically course. You will nothing to do anything. Just do it practice practice. And third model is productivity and automation. Okay, money and automation. And in this section, you will discover how AI can save your hour of work every week. You will learn smart workflows, automation technology, AI productivity strategies, and practical way to improve your daily work. Okay, I will just integrate Canva also and various software where we can design a 3D model and 2D models also, and we can write some prompt to get a good result. And fourth part is very important part. We have this part. Finally, we will dive into the advanced topic including custom GPT, AI agent, deep research, and modern system buildings. These are the tool professionals use to work smarter, faster, and more effectively. This course isn't about the memorizing AI tool. You don't need to memorize anything, but you have to do practice daily. By the end of this course, you will have confidence to use AI in this your career, business, and education and everyday life. You will complete practical project, download valuable research, and gain real world skill that you can apply immediately. Thank you for choosing this course, and I am hone- honored to be part of your learning job. So just now we have to start the basic to. Okay, so this is the chat GPT. This course is not fully for chat GPT. You can use any AI tool like Google Gemini or Google Studio also you can use. Google Studio AI you can use through. Okay, because the every AI tool is similar, and every prompt you can give to any AI, you can get a some same result, but its fundamental is different, but the prompt is same. Okay, so this is the cloud, and this is very important AI tool for creating some amazing videos and graphics and coding. also. If you are a software engineer, you can use Claude for software design code or any type of code if you like. Okay. And chat gpt, you can simply create a amazing video, graphics and images also. And deep research you can do by the help of chat gpt. Google AI Studio, you can simply write some article about your blog or website. And video generation and a speech to get some speech to text to speech also. You can get real time, you can give some problem, they will provide the solution also. So this is the chat gpt. Simply log in using your Gmail account. Just I'm login my Gmail account, paresmisra.com dot at the rate gmail.com, and this is the log. Okay, so I just explain you, you don't need any plan, but I am using the Go plan, 399 per month. This is my plan name. Okay, so you can purchase also, or no need to purchase, just practice using free version. This is the paid version, but you can practice in free version also. So simply write here the prompt hi. Okay, they will provide the hi Paresh, welcome back. What you are like to work, and today I can help you with Udemy course, YouTube SEO, blogging and SEO, Misho product listing, AI image generation, edition, laser cutting, MDF design idea, professional email documentation. This will help you for you. Okay. So if you are using ChatGPT or any tool like Claude or Gemini or DeepSeek, but its idea is simple. If you are give good command or good prompt, they will provide the good or excellent output. So this is the very important, and I will just go through the course detail. Okay, so AI journey. There is a four part. First part is foundation. Second part is prompt mastery, and third is money and automation, and fourth part is advanced AI. Okay, and this is the part one, foundation, and here you can learn setup and personalization your chat gpt or any AI tool. Chat gpt training, I will provide the 25 crazy prompt. We can start using this prompt and speed run with AI. Okay, and next part is creator mode, and here we can practice the graphics design. You can create one graphics or using the image creation tool. Okay, we can create a image. And video editing, we can learn how to edit a video using AI assistant. And we can make a third is the viral reel for Facebook or Instagram. We can create a how to create a reels for Instagram or Facebook also. We can create a YouTube videos, thumbnail, title, SEO for YouTube, and content connect and convert. And third part, we can learn about the money and workflow. After this, learn about the AI tool. We can connect your you. We can use your AI experience to Fiverr setup. You can earn money from Fiverr. Canva integration. We can create various videos and graphics using Canva, using the AI tool. And prompt bank, I will provide you the various prompt ideas. Something is very secret prompt we have provided in this video, in this course. Smart works for how to smart works to get a good result. Monetization your strategies. Okay, and fourth part, we can learn about the advanced AI agent mode. We can create one AI, they will work for you just like your colleague or your friend also. Agent mode and custom GPT, we can create a custom GPT for daily task also. GPT Pulse for track the trend and update back Pro to stay ahead and make a smarter decision. And a deep research, we can create a some research based AI tool. We can create a one AI tool using the deep research. Just like you can search a Kundli for AI. So you can daily basis you can find out the your Kundli or your Rashi. Okay, so we will provide you how to integrate your research to AI. AI system building, build AI powered system, automation, content engine, and scalable solution. So this is the advanced AI. And in this course, you will learn AI basic to expert and custom AI tool. We can create a custom GPT also, content creation mastery for YouTube, blog, and social media. Design and creativity skills, just like create some banner, some poster, some images, projection, and video design also we can learn about in this course. AI video creation and editing. AI से वीडियो क्रिएट करना एंड वीडियो एडिट करे आसानी से शॉर्ट एंड रील्स फॉर you can make automation and workflow automatically we can write some post in your WordPress website or blog. AI say we can smart way to learn about automation and online business, some digital website we can create also. And marketing and growth, for the marketing all sales ad you can create a ad for marketing also. Agent, AI agent, smart system you can create also. Practice your project, we will provide the project and you can practice on daily. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you and model number first, part number 1. We will meet you and next chapter foundation. In this chapter, we will learn how to scale up your career with AI. So we will meet you. In this part 1 foundation, we will learn build your strong foundation and get a smart result. Okay, strong foundation, get smart result. This is remember and start your AI journey from scratch. Learn to basic, understand how AI work and build a strong foundation for a smarter result in your daily life. Setup personalization. We will just start your career with ChatGPT. Just go to sign up your ChatGPT and go to your profile and personalization. Just open your personalization. Here you can set up your basic information just like custom instruction and about your name Paresh, about your occupation, what is your blogger. Okay, okay, and more about your interest about and enable memory. This is must have to enable this. And memory summary you can manage over here. Advanced setup you can go to here and just on this canvas so that you can get some good result. And connector search is you can on over here, just save it. And we can also connect your chat gpt to Canva also. Just click here and sign up your the Canva. So already connected my account with Canva. Reference memory and chat you can on to get this is the chat to Canva integration. Okay. Canva already I have connected and you can connect various application like just go to application and add more. Just go to here and here is the lots of AI application. Could not load application right now. Just click here. Just a minute. Okay. So we can connect your ChatGPT to Face, Photoshop also. Artable also, Apple Music also, Canva also, Figma also. Bo all the application Spotify for lover. Okay. So and the next, data control, billing and voice control. You can model, you can change or your language or automatically detected. Okay. And billing, you can upgrade your chat gpt using Go Plus and Pro. For business you can go over here. So my plan is Go plan, and here you can core model, you can access more message and upload, more image creation, longer memory and expand voice mode. Okay, so this is my account and chat gpt. I just provide you the prompt. I simply going here and I just want to create one image. Okay, so just give to here as a image creator expert. I have just provide the role of this AI. Okay, as a image creator expert. Just a minute. Please create a image where the one girl standing near the river and its looks naturally, just a minute, naturally, and girl should be Indian, Indian girl. Okay, and provide me the attractive image. Okay, I have just given the image creator expert as a role to ChatGPT, and this all are the context, and this is the output attractive image. Okay, just press the button and you will simply get a one image. Okay, just wait for the creating the image, and the same you can give the prompt to any AI, just like a this is the Claude AI I will give here, and you can simply get a result, both the AI. Okay, different result you can get, but prompt is same. Okay, okay, give me the image. Okay, creating the image. Here we have to upgrade so that they will provide me the image. Okay, Cloud AI. Okay, but you can get from here. So free version you can get a one image. This is the girl and this is the Indian girl, you can see, and this is the river, and in the side they have provide me the very attractive image. Okay, or you can change over here also. Change the girl. They will provide any another image. Okay, or you can just give the command Mm. girl should be jeans and pant, jeans and top. They will provide the jeans and pant. Okay, so this is the change the girl. Okay, you be another. Okay, so this is the practical video, w- practical course, and you will learn. This is the jeans and top. Same girl, but jeans and top. Okay, so just like you can create anything in your daily task. Okay, so just go to your foundation. So this is the setup and personalization and ChatGPT training to task daily work is result and 25 crazy prompt I will just provide you. Okay, another. Okay, course creation result. So this course I fully created by AI. You can see here already given my okay AI course. You can simply give some command prompt to get some result like I want to create some product image also. You can create a product image just like a MDF square with round corner, and this is image created by AI tool ChatGPT, and this is the product image. You can simply put this product to AI any e-commerce website and get some sales also. So simply create a image idea I have just provided you, and now I will just provide you how to create content or article using Google AI Studio. This is the article स्वस्तिक भोजन के फायदे, and this is the article created by Google AI Studio, and this is the article. Okay, this is the article they have provided me to write on your blog post. Just like this is my website newsmonk.in, and I have written here the article over here स्वस्तिक भोजन के फायदे. This all this article I have written and this image created by ChatGPT. Okay, so this image you can create by ChatGPT by using here. I have just show you. Just a minute. I am creating everything, image, article, and everything using ChatGPT. This is the image created by ChatGPT. I have just download this image and paste in my article. This is my website and I have this is the image, and this is the article written by the Google AI Studio here. Okay. So with the help of AI tool we can create anything. And step by step I will just show you how we can. And next chapter, next part, creator mode, we will just provide you how to create video editing video and edit this video viral reels we can create, YouTube packaging and title, thumbnail also we can. I will just provide you and the next chapter. Thank you for watching.